Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Rearview Sons today have got a pretty nice outfit here for you today. We got a cat 299D with a cat mulcher head on it, sitting on a brand new set of shoes. Brand new. It's real clean, it's straight, it runs very good, it's very strong. Just doing a walk around on it right quick for you to see. And of course it does have the cat mulching head that goes with it. So it makes a pretty nice pair. We got this up where you can see. Teeth seem to be in pretty good shape. It's not beat up, broke up. Most of these mulchers, sometimes they take a lot of abuse, but this one's pretty clean. We're going to crank it up right quick, show you what it'll do. All the way up to the top. Real smooth, strong. And it tracks straight. The 2-speed does work. Air conditioning works. It's a really nice little setup here. As you can see, the head, very smooth, real smooth. That's a vibration from your push bar up there making that racket. Your head's in great shape. I wanted to show that to you. If you're looking for a pretty nice mulcher, give us a call here at Rearview Sons. We like it. We think you'll like it. And as always, we greatly appreciate your business.